Canary Mail versus Spark Mail. Let's get started. So start with Canary Mail. Canary Mail is a privacy-first, AI-enhanced email app with features like end-to-end encryption, biometric lock, impersonation detection, smart sorting, and an AI copilot for writing and summarizing emails. Spark, on the other hand, is emphasizing team collaboration with smart inboxes, message scheduling, quick replies, snooze, and AI-based writing assistants. It's available across Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Windows. Let's talk about their pros. So for Canary Mail, it offers its strong privacy, which is the PGP encryption, a biometric app lock, and impersonation alerts. It also has an AI copilot and a clean cross-platform UI with unified inbox. Now Spark, on the other hand, offers a smart inbox which auto-organizes your personal, notification, and newsletter categories. It also offers excellent collaboration tools, productivity features, and AI-powered templates. So in conclusion, choose Canary Mail if you prioritize privacy, email encryption, and want advanced AI tools to write and summarize with a sleek and personal interface. And choose Spark if you need collaborative client with smart inbox and productivity features and are fine with minor bugs while working as a team.